Look at this glaze. Today we're cooking something truly special over an open fire. First, we need fresh apple juice. I'm grating the apples by hand to squeeze out about 150 milliliters of pure flavor. Real, fresh, and vibrant. This is the secret to our sauce. Next, let's prep the apples, dicing them into cubes to get that perfect bite-sized texture. Ready to go. Time to prepare the hearth. A small pit will help focus the heat right where we need it. Gathering some dry wood for a clean, steady flame. Let's get this fire started. There's nothing like cooking in the great outdoors. Love rustic cooking? Subscribe for more fire recipes. Setting up the bricks to stabilize our cauldron. start with a mix of butter and vegetable oil for that rich, golden base. In go the apples. Adding a sprig of fresh rosemary, cutting it directly into the apples to release those piney oils. Two tablespoons of honey for deep caramelization. This is where the magic starts. Fry them until they are beautifully golden and fragrant. Let's take the apples out for now. A bit more butter and oil to prep the pan for the main star. Adding the chicken liver, it's been washed and patted dry to ensure a perfect sear. See that crust? That's exactly what we're looking for. Now we deglaze the pan with our fresh apple juice. It picks up all those caramelized bits from the bottom. More rosemary for a fresh layer of aroma. Seasoning with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Bringing the apples back in. Give it a good mix to coat everything in that honey apple glaze. On the last sprig of rosemary on top, we'll let it rest under the lid for 10 minutes to soak up all the juices. Just look at that steam. The aroma is incredible. Time to serve. Chicken liver with apples and rosemary, simple, rustic, and absolutely delicious. If you're enjoying this outdoor vibe, hit that subscribe button and join our cooking journey.